Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video we're gonna learn how to sign up for Acorns. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up, and it will also give you a $5 bonus investment for signing up using our affiliate link. Once you use our link, this is the page that will show up. Here, you will see a button that says, Redeem My Offer. Click on the Redeem My Offer button. Now create your account by entering a valid email address and a password. After that, click on the tick box to confirm that you are a U.S. citizen, 18 years or older, and that you agree to their agreement and policy. Then click on the Create Account button. A pop-up message will appear asking if the email you provided is correct. Review it, and once you confirm that it is correct, click on Looks Good. Now enter the required information. On the first field, enter your legal first name. Then enter your legal last name on the second field. On the third field, enter your birthday. After that, click on the tick box to confirm that you are a U.S. citizen. Then click on Next. Here, enter further information about you. Enter your address, zip code, and phone number. Then click on Next. Next, verify your phone number. Enter the code sent to the phone number you provided. Then click on Confirm. Now, enter your SSN or Social Security number. Then click on Next. To add security for your account, select a security question and enter the answer. Make sure to remember it, in case a problem occur on your account. Now several situations will show. Click on the option that applies to you, then click on Next. After that, you need to link a bank account. To proceed, click on Next. Select the bank account you wish to link. A pop-up message will appear informing you that Acorns uses Plaid to connect your account. To proceed, click on Continue. Then enter your bank credentials such as the username and password. Then click on Submit. Now you need to verify your identity. You can either choose to receive the security code through text or email. In this case, we selected text. Click on the option you wish to select. Once received, enter the verification code, then click on Submit. Now your bank account has been linked. To proceed on the next step, click on Continue. It will inform you that the bank account you added is now your primary checking account. Just click again on Next. Now read this message, then click on Next. Now you will be picking your portfolio. To continue, click on Next. Here, you need to answer several questions about you. These are required questions in order for them to create a right investment portfolio for you. After answering, scroll down a little, then you will see a Next button. Click on Next. Now, choose a portfolio theme. You could choose from Core Portfolios and ESG Portfolios. Information about these portfolios are provided. Read it, then click on the option you wish to select. Review the Invest portfolio. After reviewing, scroll down to the bottom, then click on Next. Then select a recurring investment. The minimum amount is $5 every week. But you could change it if you wish to. Click on the amount you want to invest, then click on Start Investing. A pop-up reminder will appear. Once you've read it, click on OK. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Acorns. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.